Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. My name is Sonam and in this video we will unbox and review the ZoBag March 2019 edition. First of all, a very happy Women's Day to all of my lovely ladies out there. To celebrate today, we have a giveaway and a special discount code which is valid till the end of this weekend only. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. It says ZoTezo. So this is how the pouch or the bag looks like. As always, the material is very good, a thick cloth quality, and it says ZoTezo and ZoBag, and all these makeup and skincare items are there in golden color. As you can see, all the products have come bubble wrapped. So this month we do have a lot of choice options. So the first product of choice is from Blue Heaven. You can either choose this soft kajal eyeliner or you can choose their face wash or lip crayon. I have used the lip crayon and face wash on this all three, and I do like their crayon as well, but I have both the colors that I like the most. That's why I chose this one. It's the soft kajal eyeliner, long lasting, extra black, smudge proof, waterproof. I won't exactly call it smudge proof, but it's definitely very creamy. It's very pigmented. It glides on smoothly, stays for a decent amount of time. Towards the end of the day, it does smudge a little bit, but that gives it a nice smoky look as well. So I do like that. And the cost of this is 125 rupees. Net weight is 0.31 grams, and here are more details about the product. This is definitely something that I like and I use. A black kajal is very essential. Most of the people who even go for a minimalistic makeup use a kajal and a lipstick, or at least a kajal and a lip balm. So this is definitely good. The next product of choice is either this Wadi Herbals Tulip Oil Control Moisturizer with green almond extract. It is a full size of 60 ml and the cost is 65 rupees. It's pretty inexpensive, but it is definitely good, and it is an organic brand. It's completely organic without any harmful chemicals. So even if you feel it's not as good as something to be used as a face moisturizer, you can always use it as a body moisturizer. And I loved using it last time, so that's why I chose it again. But instead of this, you can also go for the BioBloom body butter in the water lily variant. Both of these will be used for body, to be honest, for me. So I chose this one since it's an oil control moisturizer, and summers are here and it's gonna be very oily and hot, so that's why I chose this. Then moving on to the star product, it has to be this Ilana Organic Personal Care Brightening Skin Serum with papaya and lemon extracts. Here are more details about the product. It's a 15 ml full size, SLS free, and best before 24 months from manufacture. Here are the key ingredients and how it works on your skin and all those details mentioned. It's manufacturing 9 2018 and MRP of this itself is 790 rupees. So this is how the serum looks like. You might have seen all of this before on my channel. So rather than showing it again and again, I'll tell you how I liked it. So I have already started using it. I have used it for quite a few times now. It is an oil-based serum, so you have to apply a very little quantity of it, like just 2 or 3 drops, and that's more than enough, and I really liked it. I have not used it for a long time now, but within just a week I could see my skin is looking better. A little bit of tan is removed. My skin looks more even toned and more glowy, so I definitely love this serum, and in my opinion this is the star product. If you have not got it earlier, then I would definitely ask you to give it a chance. You can buy this ZoBag at a very affordable price tag and you'll get all these amazing products. So of course we are not done. We have this Biotech Advanced Ayurveda Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. Lightens and evens out lip tones. Biotech is a very well-known brand. You all might have used some of the other product of Biotech. A 12 gram size, full size. Here are the contents and all the details. It's 100% Ayurvedic recipe and worth is 175 rupees. This again I have used. It has a reddish tint. It does stay. You can see the tint, orangish reddish tint. and it's very thick and very appropriate if you use lip balms in your night skincare routine. You can just layer it on and go to sleep. I really like it, and it has an amazing fragrance as well. I love the fruity fragrance it has. So big thumbs up to this. It's a huge tub. I think it will last me for a long time now. And along with the kajal, we have another makeup product, which is this Blue Heaven Diamond Blush for soft expression. It's for 125 rupees and the shade 505. This is how the packaging is, and that is how the shade looks. I've told you guys that this would be a beautiful body highlighter or even a nice soft highlighter for dark skin tones, because it's just amazing. It gives a very nice goldenish shine to your skin. I am using this as my body highlighter and I love it like that. So this is again a big thumbs up from me. So these are all the things you have in the ZoBag. Now coming to the review part, although most of these products have already been featured in previous ZoBags, they are some of my favorites. I love the serum, lip balm is amazing. Kajal and body lotion, both of these are very basic and usable products, and you do have choice options as well. So overall I am definitely happy. I did like it. All the brands are good and the quality of products I know are good because I've used them before. So I will give this a big thumbs up. Now coming to the price, it's priced at $4.99 including shipping, but I have a special code for you all. As I told, you can use the code SONAM50 and all letters have to be in capital. So just write capital SONAM50 and you can get a discount of 50 rupees and you can get this entire bag for 449 rupees including shipping. So you have to go through the link mentioned in the description box below. Then you can use this code and it's valid only till end of Sunday. It's a special Women's Day coupon code. So you can use this code till 10th of March 2019. Now coming to the giveaway part, I have not opened any of these products and I did not swatch anything because I'll be sending this entire package to one of you guys. It is a great bag to win, especially with the serum and kajal. You guys must put some effort. So one of you guys will be winning the entire ZoBag, and all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and spread a word about this giveaway and ask all your friends and family members, as many as possible, to join our YouTube family and subscribe to my channel. I will be choosing the winner in the first week of April. So this giveaway will run till end of March and the winners are usually announced on my Insta stories, guys. So if you have not followed me on Insta, please do follow me there and keep an eye on the Insta stories in the first week of April. So if you are a winner, you will find it out. So that's all for today. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.